In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old shared files from Google Drive. This can be a great way to declutter and keep your digital space neat, freeing up some precious storage capacity. Let's dive into the process step by step. First off, you'll need to sign into your Google Drive account. You can easily do this by visiting the Google Drive homepage on your preferred web browser. It's as simple as entering your Google account credentials in the Sign In page. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Drive homepage where you can see all your files and folders. Next, look for the section labeled Shared With Me on the left-hand sidebar. It's usually right below the My Drive link. This area is dedicated to files and documents that other people have shared with you. It's important to remember that many of these files might have accumulated over time, and you might not need them anymore. Click on Shared With Me to view all the files that others have shared with you. After that, take a moment to browse through these shared files. Identify the files you no longer need or use. Once you've selected a file you'd like to remove from your shared folder, simply click on the file to highlight it. You'll notice once you've clicked the file, it becomes highlighted, indicating that it's selected. Now you'll want to look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu or the Overflow menu, toward the top right of your screen. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu with multiple options. It's here where you can manage the selected file. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Remove. This option will remove the file from your Shared With Me tab. It's a handy option to use when you need to clean up your shared files view and eliminate clutter. However, remember that removing the file from your Google Drive will not delete the file for the owner or other recipients. It simply removes the file from your shared list, making it easier for you to keep track of the files you actually need. And there you have it, a clear method to declutter your Google Drive shared files folder without much hassle. By following these steps, you can maintain a more organized digital workspace and ensure that your Google Drive works efficiently for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your digital cleanup that much smoother. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you'd like more tips and tricks on managing your digital